Alright, I'm going to start this YouTube live stream now, and then we'll probably just get started a little bit early. Turn that down a little bit. I just went live on YouTube, so we'll wait for a few people to join there, and then we'll probably get started a few minutes early today, and go from there. So overall, obviously the market is down a little bit, actually quite a bit. I did say if Bitcoin closes a weekly candle below $40,000, I do think the bull run's over, at least short term. So that's probably what's going to happen. I don't see us getting back above 40K in the next few days. If we do, that's awesome. But I would say short term we're probably in a mini bear market, kind of like May. That's kind of what I'm thinking is going on. The best is on. If I'm the best, I guess so. All right, let's get started on Bitcoin. We're going to get started here a few minutes early. And also, if you guys want to see the charts, I'm on YouTube. So it's that simple. Also, I'm changing the times I go live. Well, not the time, but I'm going live Monday and Fridays now. Just works better with my schedule. And yeah. All right, so let's get started on Bitcoin. So obviously, we're below 40K. If we close a weekly candle below 40K, I do think we're in a mini bear market like back in May, and I do think if we can't get back above 40K by Sunday night, we're going to go down and test $30,000 to $32,000. In this bear market, if this is the bear market, which I'm still hesitant to say, yet, but if it is the bear market, I don't see us going below 20K in this bear market. And we also never had a blow off top, so I'm still hesitant to say this is a bear market. But if we do close Sunday below 4K, then I do think we're in a mini bear market, at least kind of like May. In a mini bear market and still what I think is a bull market. So that's what I'll say. So right now, Bitcoin's at $36,500. The next stop, if we can't get back above $37,000, is $32,000. Actually, I guess the next tip I have to the downside is 33.6. And then below that, it would be 23,000. But there's definitely some strong support at the $30,000 level. For some reason, my supports and resistances got deleted from this chart. But that's where it would be. So 33.6, then 32K is some support, and 30,000 would be very strong support on Bitcoin. I really hope we don't go that low, but I think if we don't get back above 40K or even 37K, we're going to probably head lower to those lower price targets. And like I said, if we don't get back above 40K by Sunday night, then I would say we're in a mini bear market. And I would say this, if we go below 30K, then I think we're in an actual bear market, and it's not just a short-term one like it was in May. So that's kind of where I stand right now on crypto overall. Let me go over to Ethereum, and then I'll look at the chat. And if you guys want to request anything, you can. But I just want to go over everything really quick. So we need to adjust the fibs on the daily time frame. The last daily close yesterday was at 2560, I think. Without using the wicks, I think it was. That we actually have a new daily candle closing tonight, or in about 2 minutes here. On everything. So in 2 minutes. So in 48 hours, Bitcoin has 48 hours to get back above $40,000. That's pretty much where we're at right now. But on Ethereum, you had a local low, and you're right at that local low at 2560. I guess now you're at 2600. Next target to the downside, adjusting the fibs, would be $2,000. It'd be a major drop. But we are on the daily time frame. Remember that. And the 236 fib for the next target to the upside to maybe say that the bottom is in would be $3,085. The 618 to be bullish on the daily time frame or the weekly time frame, you'd have to be above the 618, which is currently at 3938 on Ethereum. So almost $4,000. So just shy of $4,000. So if you get above that, then I definitely think the low is in wherever the low was, 2486 on Ethereum. So I don't know. I can't tell you if the low is in or not. I think unless you get above 37,000 on Bitcoin, I would say the low is probably not in. The next stop on Bitcoin could be 32K. So just be aware of that. My name on YouTube is Crypto Boss Andrew, just like on TikTok. It's also, I think, in my TikTok description, bio, whatever. So the only coin I'm holding right now is Elon 1. And a complete shit coin. I put a few grand in, now that's at 0. But right now my main holding, besides a few $100, is Elon 1. So that I'm holding long term because we're about to launch the marketplace on Elon. When I've talked about it a lot, especially on YouTube, I'm holding that because if we launch the marketplace here in a few days, then or by the end of the month, like they said, the thing's gonna go parabolic and I'll be fine. I think it'd help Elon one though if we're in a bull market. That would help, but I still think it goes up no matter what. So I am holding that for sure. I don't know what user 24. I don't know what that means, but. Oh, are those coins you want me to look at? The only one I've heard of is Rose. Guess I'll hold for 3 years. Yeah, well, hey, earn coins, hold coins you can earn interest on, or hold coins you can stake, like Tezos, or if you hold on BlockFi or Blockfolio, you can earn interest on some coins as well. It's not much, it's like 6%, but that adds up, especially when Bitcoin and crypto goes back out, whether it's this year or in the next bull market. And the times you want to buy is in bear markets when everyone's fearful. Speaking of that, right now the fear and greed index, we have a new day, so I'll update it again. But yesterday it was at 13. It's okay. Maybe it's still at 13. We're in extreme fear at 13. Yesterday we were at 19, so maybe that was yesterday at 19 because I thought this morning it was at 19. Anyways, and last week we were at 23. We are on the lowest we've ever been at least since I've been in crypto. Maybe, yeah, I think so. I don't know if I've ever seen it below 13. Maybe I have. I don't remember, though. 13 is like the lowest it can go. I mean, it's 13 out of 100. We are in extreme fear. You want to buy when others are fearful, and you want to sell when others are greedy. When there's blood on the streets, that's when you buy. And when everyone's euphoric and like, oh my gosh, it's going to go to the moon. We're going to XYZ price on this coin. That's when you want to get out and sell. It's hard to do. It's really hard to do. It's all psychological. But that's what you want to do. That's how you make the most money, and that's how the whales do it, and that's why they're so freaking rich. So, yeah, we are extremely low on that, which is a good time to buy. Are we at support on some of these cryptos? It's hard to say, but I think if nothing else, crypto overall is due for a relief rally. So, yeah, so Gala, Crow, Algorand, and XLM, my thoughts on them. I love XLM. I actually held that for a while from 9 cents to like, I don't know what the top was, but I got out of that. I like XLM now. I think if you're getting back into crypto, those are the coins you want to be buying. I like what's Crow at now? Let me look at Crow. I'm going to turn this down a little bit so I can think. So Crow right now is currently at 34 cents. Yeah, we need to update the fibs a little bit. Yep. So the next fib on Crow now to the upside is 50 cents. That used to be like the support. Now that is the next fib to the upside that you want to get above. So that's 50 cents is the next major target. Not only is there a fib there, there's resistance there at 50 cents as well because that was support a few weeks ago or a few days ago when we were at 50 cents. It's saying the next low would be 20 cents, which I don't think on the Coinbase you were ever that low. You got listed on Coinbase at 25 cents. So I would look for 25 cents to be a bounce point just for that reason. But if you don't hold that, 20 cents is coming. Like I said, I think crypto overall has a relief rally, so I don't know if those targets will get hit. But that's just kind of what I'm looking at right now. Like I said, CryptoBoss Angel on YouTube if you guys want to go check me out. And Gala, I don't know. What's Gala doing? Okay, so we don't need to update the fibs on Gala. Well, I guess we could. I'm going to do it. I'm going to update them. So the 618 right now on Gala is at 41 cents. The next target to the upside would be... I mean, right now the next target to the upside fib-wise would be 33 cents on Gala. So you're a ways away from that. I would say right now that does not look bullish. But I think I need to update my fibs a little bit. Hold on. Let me... Yeah, there we go. All right, so the 236 fib on Gala is at 35 cents almost. And the 618 is actually all the way up there at 60 cents. So Gala's looking pretty bad right now. Next drop could take you down to, I don't think that's right, 4 cents. That's not, I'll have to look at that later. But then to the upside, 35 cents is where you want to get above to say the low is probably in. All right, and so Algo. It's loading. All right, this chart probably need to clean up a little bit. But Algo is currently at $1.03. $1 is definitely strong support. Yeah, definitely some strong support there. So I'm going to put a line there. I don't know why I didn't have one. All right, so next target to the upside where you have resistance is $1.30. That's also where you have a fib. Although I need to update my fibs like I do on the other ones. And actually, I guess the fib is at $1.33. So that's the target for the upside. Downside target would be, I mean, $1, I guess. I don't think you go below $1 unless Bitcoin continues down to 32K or something like that. And last one I'll look at is XLM. And then I think we're all caught up. Coinbase. So actually, an XLM, it's saying on the daily chart the Ghana fans are bullish. It's really rare you see the Ghana fans update on the daily chart. So I would say getting into XLM right now is an excellent buy. If I had some extra money I wanted to be in a safer coin that's less risky than Uniswap coins, I would be buying XLM right now. Because not only are the Ghana fans saying you're bullish on the daily time frame, you're also at a major support at 20 cents. And I do need to update my fibs. But still, yeah, and now you also have a fib to the upside at the 0.76 fib at, no, actually, I'm just going to redo my fibs. That's not accurate. Hold on, let me zoom out and figure this out. All right. Okay, so the next fib would be up there, I guess, at 34 cents, and you have resistance at 35 cents. But 25 to 26 cents is your next target on XLM. I think probably 20 cents is the bottom. You did have a wick down to 19.9. Yeah, so 20 cents, I think that holds. That's just me. If Bitcoin goes down to 30K, then obviously XLM is probably going to go lower. But I would say XLM, macro term, looks extremely bullish from 20 cents up. So XLM might be the most bullish coin. Maybe not immediately, but I think it might be one of those coins that's actually at a bottom. All right, let me know if you guys will see anything else. Otherwise, that's kind of all I got. Yeah, go subscribe to my YouTube because then you can see the chart. I know last stream we had people watching there, and I think right now it's pretty dead. So, but, yep, that's kind of where I'm at with crypto. I think we could definitely go lower, but if you get back above 37K, then we might be in the clear. But until then, I would say 37K. If that doesn't happen, then 32K is on the table. And if you're below 40K, then you're still bearish short term. But if you get above 37K, it's a little bit better. So I think you probably do get some sort of relief rally at least to 37K, if not a little bit higher on crypto. But that's kind of where I'm at right now. That's all I got. Thanks, guys, for joining. And I'll see you guys in the next one, next live stream, Monday, 7 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. I'll see you guys next week. All right, I'm going to end the YouTube now.